Good morning, friends. Happy 4th of July to all of you. Many state governors have finally agreed to send out a fourth round of stimulus checks to all of their residents. And billions of dollars in extra stimulus money will be going out to millions of Americans very soon. So friends, please make sure you watch until the end of this video to learn how you can claim any available stimulus money. I will also be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. If you would like to enter these giveaways, please make sure that you click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on with the keyword, the greater your chance of winning the Walmart gift card giveaway. And friends, in a video later today, I'll be announcing the winner, so please stay tuned for that video.
Americans need confidence that their Congress, that their government can actually do something practical and reasonable. And that's what we have here in front of us, is a plan. Americans need to know that there's a plan to be able to inject fiscal responsibility again into what they have not seen for too long. Like everywhere in the nation, Utah families are burdened with painfully inflated gas prices at the gas pump, grocery store, and more. The average American household is paying hundreds more than they would for the same goods that they purchased just a year ago. Despite repeated Republican warnings of excessive federal spending, what it would do to our economy, Democrats have continued to vote for massive spending bills. As a father to 4 young boys, I know we must provide for the next generation a more stable economic outlook for their financial success. It's why I ran for Congress. However, achieving a balanced budget after over 20 years of consistent deficit spending is a very tall task. And when I decided to run for Congress, and I made this a key part of my platform, I knew it was going to be a very tall task. On top of increasing Medicare and Social Security spending, the Congressional Budget Office estimates that over the next 10 years, interest costs will total $8.1 trillion. The longer we don't address this issue, the larger the hill we must climb. Even so, leaders from both parties have historically come to the table to build solutions, and we must rise to the occasion. The Republican Study Committee has worked dutifully to chart our path forward. This plan is outlined in the Blueprint to Save America. This roadmap provides...
With the rising costs of food, fuel, energy, and just about everything else, I know that many of you are wondering what help could be on the way. President Biden did recently announce a gas tax holiday that some experts say will provide limited help. The motivation for the gas tax holiday is to help families cope with the prices that have climbed from an average of just $3 per gallon in July of 2021 close to $5 a gallon today. The price of gas is putting a big squeeze on budgets and is forcing people to rethink how much they can drive. High gas prices may also push people to cut back on other spending, including summer vacations. But the gas tax holiday will do little to ease Americans' pain at the gas pump. To begin with, the federal gasoline tax is only 18.4 cents per gallon. That's less than 4% of the current average gasoline price, assuming that consumers get 2/3 of the cut and pay a whopping 12 cents less per gallon. This is only a savings of $2. The part of the cut that goes to consumers is so small because basic economics says that whenever a tax like this is cut, the cut is split between the sellers of the product and the consumers. And on top of that, we've seen gasoline price change by more than 12 cents per gallon, multiple times in just the last 4 months. One more week's increase in gas prices could wipe out most or all of the benefit of the tax cut. The government provided 3 stimulus checks throughout 2020 and 2021, putting more than $803 billion in the hands of Americans who needed it. Many states had historic surpluses over the past year, and that's thanks to inflation, driving up prices of goods and high crisis spending. Many states had historic surpluses over the past year, and that's thanks to inflation, driving up prices of goods. Total state collections increased more than 17% in the fourth quarter of 2021, compared to the year before. In the state of North Carolina, senators have proposed a Gas Tax Rebate Act of 2022, which would give a one-time payment of $200 to every licensed driver in the state who is over the age of 18. If it passes, the payments will be sent after October 1st, 2022. There is also legislation pending for a direct assistance program for families for payments of up to $2,000 for a total of $500 million for families in the state of Pennsylvania to use for household expenses and child care. So, dear friends, what do you think that our lawmakers should do to address rising inflation? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Friends, the keyword for this video is Colorado Springs. If you would like to enter today's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos, and then comment below this keyword, which is Colorado Springs, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. Remember, friends, the more videos that you comment on with the keyword, the greater chance of winning the Walmart gift card giveaway. New Hampshire lawmakers want to give the state's motorists a little relief from skyrocketing gas prices by providing them with rebates on vehicle registrations. A new proposal introduced to the House Finance Committee would send the owners of vehicles registered between July 2021 and June 2022 a one-time $25 rebate check. The proposed rebates would cost the state about $40 million based on the estimated 1.6 million active vehicle registrations. Money for the refunds would come from the state's general fund. The proposal was tacked onto an unrelated bill before the committee, which calls for expanding regional career technical agreements to expand the state's blue-collar workforce. Gas prices in New Hampshire were averaging about $4.25 per gallon this week. Overall, New Hampshire drivers pay a total of 42 cents per gallon in gasoline taxes, including state and federal taxes and other fees. The state's highway fund, which includes gas tax and toll road revenue, generates about $165 million a year. The money goes towards fixing roads and bridges and many other projects. So, dear friends, what are your thoughts on a gas tax holiday? Please let me know what your thoughts are in the comments section below. Well, my awesome and beautiful friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you once again for joining me here. I greatly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos daily. The winner of yesterday's Walmart gift card giveaway is William Hairston. Congratulations, dear friend. Please note, if I have announced you as the winner, do check your notifications page and send me an email. Or you can also send me a message on my Facebook page. Thank you so much, friends, and have a wonderful and safe 4th of July.